Looking for the best Forex trading platform in Australia for beginners? In this video, we'll review the top ASIC-regulated brokers that are perfect for beginners. We'll cover their features, ease of use, costs, and what makes them safe and beginner-friendly. Let's dive in. What beginners should look for. Before choosing a Forex broker, here are a few things that really matter if you're just starting out. Strong regulation. Always choose a broker regulated by ASIC or one holding an Australian Financial Services License, AFSL, for safety. Low costs and tight spreads. High fees eat into profits, so find brokers with competitive spreads. Simple, easy-to-use platforms. You don't want to get stuck with confusing tools. Demo accounts. Practice with virtual money before trading live. Good support and transparency. You want quick help, clear withdrawal terms, and no hidden fees. Now that we know what to look for, let's explore the top Forex platforms for beginners in Australia this year. FP Markets, 8Cap, Octa, Tickmill, IC Markets, FX Pro, FBS, Focus Markets, XI, HF Markets. Want more details about the best Forex trading platform in Australia? Check the link in the description. FP Markets. FP Markets is one of Australia's most trusted brokers, regulated by ASIC. It's known for tight ECN spreads, fast execution, and low trading costs. Perfect for beginners who want safety and smooth trading. 8Cap. 8Cap is another top ASIC-regulated broker offering MT4 and MT5 platforms. It provides leverage up to 1/500, demo accounts, and even tools to automate trades without coding. A great mix of flexibility and beginner access. Octa. Octa, regulated by SISEC, offers a clean mobile app and simple interface. It supports MT4 and MT5, provides competitive spreads, and includes educational tools. Great for traders who want to learn and grow. Tickmill. Tickmill stands out for transparency and quality execution. Regulated by FCA, SISEC, and FSA, it offers leverage up to $1 to $1,000 and a $100 minimum deposit. A reliable pick for new traders who want global trust and low trading costs. IC Markets. IC Markets is one of the largest Forex brokers globally, based in Australia and regulated by ASIC. It offers ECN pricing, low spreads, and a $200 minimum deposit. Many traders call it Australia's best overall broker. Excellent for both beginners and pros. FX Pro. FX Pro is a globally recognized broker regulated by SISEC, FCA, FSCA, and SCB. It focuses on risk management and reliability, with a $100 minimum deposit and leverage up to 1 to 100. A safe and steady start for new traders. FBS. FBS is known for its low entry point, just a $5 minimum deposit and leverage up to 1 to 3,000. Regulated by ASIC, SISEC, and FSC, FBS offers flexible accounts, great for traders testing the waters with small investments. Focus Markets. Focus Markets is an Australian-born broker regulated by ASIC and SVGFSA. It combines modern platforms, low fees, and MetaTrader 4 and 5 support. A solid choice for traders who value a simple, no-hassle experience. AXI. AXI is a trusted Australian Forex and CFD broker regulated by ASIC. It offers MT4 and MT5 tight spreads and transparent pricing with no hidden fees. A solid choice for traders who want reliability, education, and copy trading tools. HFM. HFM is a globally recognized broker regulated by ASIC, FCA, SISEC, and DFSA. It provides MT4 and MT5 low minimum deposits and flexible account options. A top pick for traders who value strong regulation, education, and support. So, those are the best Forex trading platforms in Australia for beginners. All these brokers are trusted, regulated, and beginner-friendly. But your best choice depends on your goals, budget, and experience. Always compare spreads, fees, and platform features before opening an account. And start with a demo account to practice safely. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which broker you're trying this year.